So hi. So,
Hello.
so can you all turn on your videos? Yeah, Bharat. Trisha, Varsha, Bharat. Guys, turn on your videos. Fine, Trisha. You can. Okay, fine. So, okay. So, Ashish, can you turn on your mic?
Huh?
Okay. How was your day?
My day was fine.
Like, what did you do from morning till evening?
I did like nothing.
Okay. Did your exam finished?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to ask anything to anybody in this meeting?
Nehan,
Yes,
how are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
Yeah, I'm fine too.
Then, did you get your results? I mean, did your teachers give you papers?
No.
Mm,
Nehan, you can ask anybody else. Like Bharat, Pragna is there. You can ask.
I want to talk with Yuga.
Is he here? Yeah.
Yes, Neha.
What were you doing, Yuga?
Still now, I was seeing the cricket match, India versus New Zealand. Now I'm attending the class. What about
Uh,
you? Are you fine?
yeah. Did you went to village today?
Yeah, I went and I came back at 3:30.
Your father said you are not there at 4.
4? I was sleeping.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, did you guys saw the flip book with
Yeah,
Thanishka has sent?
yeah,
So, how was it? Did you guys see?
yeah. We have seen it was good. It was understanding.
Did you guys the video? Did you guys saw the video at the ending?
Yeah,
How was it? Tell me
it
your
was
feedback.
nice.
It was good.
Very nice.
Then, Lavit, how was the way? Did you saw the flip book which we sent in the group?
Unfortunately, no, because of the exams, and that too, it was a maths exam, which was very important. So I didn't get to see that. Today, I'll see that.
Fine, fine. And Pragna, are you there? Pragna,
Yes,
how did you saw the flip book?
yeah,
How was it?
yeah. It was good, and it was good for reference too. We can understand easily everything because there are examples also.
Ah. Okay, now Tanishka will guide you.
Okay, yeah. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sister.
Good evening,
Good
sister.
evening,
Good
sister.
evening,
Good
sister.
evening.
Okay. Were you guys sleeping?
No, sister.
Oh, okay. So we couldn't have class this Friday because um our team instructors, they wanted to help you more. So they, with the video, they also wanted to give you a reference, like material to help you study well. That's why we wanted to create the flip book. That's why we took a bit of time. So next week onwards, this won't happen. We'll have our class on Friday itself from 6:30 to 7:30 or 7:45. Oh, just give me a minute. Okay, yes. So, did you guys see the video and the flip book?
Yeah.
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 How many of you saw the video and the flip book? Raise your hands.
So only flip. I saw only flip.
Ooh. Oh, only 2 people saw the flip book? Wow. Others didn't see? Wow.
I saw only flip book, sister. I didn't see the video, which in the last.
Oh, but we sent that because it'll be easier for you to, understand, for like to prepare for today's class. If you don't see, then what's the use of sending the video, right?
Okay, we'll see that today.
Yeah, you should have seen already today, because for today's class it was necessary. That's why I slept at 4 a.m. today after doing it. But you guys
Yeah,
still
yeah.
didn't see?
Actually, we thought the more information in flipbook only, so that only we didn't see that.
Yeah, flipbook, it contained all the like topics, and if you have seen the project video, you could have understood the like project idea, like how it really works in real life. Yeah,
Yeah,
so that's why we made the video, but most of you didn't see the video.
we'll
And
try to see today.
yeah, every one of you should see. Okay? Only then you can understand. Already, we were just teaching you in Friday's class, and has time passed, we wanted to learn complex stuff, but to make it easier for you, as your preparatory exams and annual exams are near, we thought to make it easier. So whenever you want, you can go and watch that reel, Insta reel, so you can understand it better. That's why we took time, we worked hard and did it, but most of you didn't see. Oh, I'm so sad. I'm so disappointed. I thought most of you have seen the video and are prepared for today's class. Yeah. So you guys can see, or else, yeah. Who saw the video actually? Someone raised their hands, right? Except Angelina, who saw the video? Dhanalakshmi. Ah, okay. Dhanalakshmi, can you share your screen and show us the video? Can we watch it together now, once?
Yeah, I'll try.
Okay. Did you join in laptop?
Yeah.
Okay. Then you can share the sound also while you share the screen.
Yeah.
Okay. You can go to share screen, then share sound. Select that option and then show us the video. Yeah. So until she do that, I just want to tell you what we'll be doing in today's class. So today we'll complete our project. Okay. So you guys know about dictionaries. You guys know about functions. Then while loop. Then lower, right? And then break statement, right? So We'll use all the stuff and then we'll oh yeah.
So this one, right? Or-
Oh no. Come yeah, scroll. Yeah, wait. No, come down. Not very much.
Very
Um,
much.
can you open like today's things? Like yeah, today's yeah. So first thing that I sent today. First thing that I sent today. Yeah, wait. There I have sent team. This is the updated version. Yeah, that's the flip book. You can open. You have to share share your whole screen. Now only your WhatsApp is visible.
Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, so now it is visible.
Yes, it's visible. Can you open the last page? Yeah, there. Click on the QR code. Oh, yeah. Just click once. We can hear the voice. Oh, you didn't share the voice. Oh, it's okay. You
Build a
can
new
stop.
public park. Who's
Oh, yeah.
excited?
Really? I'm excited.
But Mayor Max, what if you're not old enough to vote?
Great question, Sally. You have to be 18 or older to vote. That's the rule.
Oh no, I'm only 12.
I guess we cannot vote.
But still, we can share.
Here's where the magic happens. Citizens can vote yes or no on the park.
But what if I type yes in all caps? Will my vote still count?
Good point. We need to make sure all votes are counted no matter how they're typed. That's where Python comes in.
Wow, imagine all the fun we could have in that park.
But how do we collect votes?
We use a loop, a while loop. It keeps asking for votes until we say stop,
A dictionary like the one I used for spelling?
pointing at the screen. Look, we can use a dictionary to count the votes.
So if I say yes, it's like adding a sticker to the yes page?
Not quite. In Python, a dictionary stores our votes. We can say yes or no, and it keeps track.
Exit, I'm out of here.
And if someone types exit, we use the break statement to stop the voting.
And if no one wins, we'll have to think of something else.
Remember, kids, coding is fun and it helps us make important decisions.
Yeah, thank you, Dhanalakshmi. We can stop sharing your screen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Others, please turn on your video. Okay. So, how was it? How was the video?
It was good, sister.
It was
It
good.
was good. It was good.
Yeah. So, what did you understand?
May I?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. So it is. There is an animation showing a mayor, for example, and it's for voting for a park, and it explains about what's that the age limit for voting and how to use it, and if you want to exit we should use a break statement, and to vote we should use a while loop statement, etc.
Yeah, thank you, Lavit. Yeah, so
Yeah.
this was the explanation of the project. And then the things that you need to add to the project, it's in the flipbook. Yeah. So if you have seen this before, if you have watched the video a few more times, today we could have completed our project so fast. But unfortunately, you guys didn't. It's okay, we can still continue. As we do add things to the project, you can learn. But don't forget to do this because this is the easy way for you to learn. Yeah, if you didn't do this, then you may find it hard. Yeah, but this is very easy. You scroll in Instagram, right? Just like that, you can watch the videos few times so that you can understand. Okay, so Pragna, can you share your screen? Is Pragna there? Pragna, your screen is stuck for me. Are you there? It's okay. Then, Dhanalakshmi, can you open collab and share your screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Just a minute.
Okay, Pragna started sharing her screen already. Oh, it's fine. Um, we'll do one thing. Okay, it's okay. We can continue with whatever you have already done. Okay. Yes, just a second. Okay. So I can see all of your faces, okay, at once, but try to be active. Yeah. So first, you know, in the in this project which we are making, you know, Pranama gave you some hints. In that hints, he told you to use functions, right? Did he tell? Did you guys go through that? Like you have to use functions in this project, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you tell how to write a function? Like first line, we will define the function. So how to write it, like the syntax. How do you do that? Do
We
you
have
guys?
to type DEF.
We should type DEF, def.
Yes. Okay. Dhanalakshmi, can you do that? First line. Don't cancel anything. Just first line is DEF
I
space.
didn't share this.
Oh, okay. Pragna, can you write it? Don't cancel anything. Just write DEF. Yeah. Then so
We have to
you
give an
write DEF. That's like defining the function. Then what should be the next thing in that line?
we
You
have to
write,
give a name to the function.
yeah, name of the function. What can be the name of the function?
I think that it
Volunteering
cannot
for
be
a
name
park.
of the function.
Oh, very big name.
I think
What?
Voting. Okay. Define space voting. Okay. So for now, let's just not keep any arguments for now. Okay. Just keep the parenthesis empty. Just write the parenthesis and then colon. Yeah. So let me tell you, you have created a function. So everything that you do next onwards should be inside the function. Inside the function means you have to be careful about the indentation. Okay? Yeah. So everything should be inside the function. So function. So some of you told you have seen the flip book. What is a function? Do you guys remember? Yes or no? Pragna, you told you have seen the flip book. Can you tell me what is function?
Actually, I didn't read it. I just
Okay. So functions are like block of codes which um which which will be executed when you call it. So you have created a function, then only when you call the function it will be executed. So that is function. And we use function when we want to like repeat certain things. Like if we want to repeat the same set of codes multiple times, so you don't need to print it again and again. You just have to use the function name and change the arguments. So that's how it works. So now function voting is done, first line. Then uh the next thing, what's the next thing? Okay, you uh Pragna, do you have the hints page?
Yeah.
Like, can you open that as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, most of you didn't turn on your video. Can you turn on your video? And also, do you guys remember I told you about the reward system? I
Yeah.
think only few of you know about it, about the gifts. I
Yeah,
told you to watch the recording, but some of you, I can tell by looking at your faces that you didn't watch the recording. Yeah, you'll not know about the gifts then. Only those who know may get the gifts. Isn't it, Yuka?
Come again?
Yeah. So, do you know about the reward system?
Yeah.
Okay. So then only Yuka may get the gift, I guess, because only he know. Others, I don't think you know.
Even I.
Oh, even love it no. Then maybe he'll try to be active. Except these two others don't know about it, I guess.
I know.
Oh, even Dhanalakshmi, no. Okay, then only three
I
of
also know, sister.
Oh, you too know. Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. But I told you there is a condition. If
Yeah.
you're active, everyone in your team should be active.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
You told.
yeah, so if only you're active in your team, then you may not get the gift. Everyone in your team should be active. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So here in the like your screen, you can see, can you scroll down? Scroll down. Scroll down. Okay. Yeah, no, not the solution, not the solution. Pragna, you're showing the solution, not that, just hints. Yeah. So take user input for
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗುಡ್ಸಿ ಇದಾಕಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗುಡ್ಸಿ
yeah, yeah, that thing. Dhanalakshmi, can you mute? It's fine. Yeah. So here, take user input for age and then store the values using a dictionary. So, you have to use while loop anyhow because you have some condition. So, if that condition is true, only then you can continue. Do you know that? You know that no, you know about it, right? Like you have this age restriction. You have that condition as well. And then yeah, so anyway, you have to use while loop. So before that, before like repeating things, there's something that you need to prepare. Okay, that is dictionary. So in the last class, Angelina taught you how about dictionaries. And even in the flip book, it's mentioned, even in the video, it's mentioned. So now let's create a dictionary. So second line. Yeah. Yeah. Can you give a name for the dictionary? Anyone?
This DICT.
You can change the name. In any name.
Okay. OXDICT.
Why is it OXDICT? You can
Oxford
give any
Dictionary,
name
like.
related to this project.
Okay, then.
Election.
Election. Okay, election. Election is equal to what?
Curly
Okay.
brackets.
Okay, curly bracket. But before that, let me also tell you this. Who didn't see the video? So a dictionary, it's um, it's like a container which has values. So here it stores the data in the form of key value pairs. For example, in the last class, I gave you this example. Like, where can you see the dictionary in daily life? Where will you see it? In your contact list, right? So if you want
In
to call
that
someone,
context.
yeah, if you want to call someone, you need the number. So if you want that number, then what will you search for? The name. So the name is the key and the value is the number. So here we will be having two like datas. Like one is what are those two datas? Two keys.
Minimum age.
Key
Mm,
and the
okay.
value.
Yeah, key and the value. So here in our dictionary, we'll be having two keys, two values, okay? Key value, key value. So here, what is the key? What are those keys? So
Yes
let
or
me
no?
tell you, this election, this election, I told you it's like a container. So, yeah, okay, let me complete. So in our project, we are using this container to store what?
Values.
Votes.
The
Words.
data or the value.
Yeah,
Values.
values, which means votes. In our project, we are storing the values, which are votes. So, what are those votes?
Yes or no?
Yes. So, what are those two keys?
Yes
Yes
or
or
no?
no.
Yeah, yes or no. So, can you yeah, type? So, curly brackets. So, you have to use curly brackets. I told you it means it's a dictionary. So, if it's a string, you have to put quotation. So quotation, yes. Then if you want to store values, how will you do it? Like how will you connect the key and the value? How will you do that?
We have to put a colon and have
Colon.
Okay.
parenthesis.
Colon. Then what is yes now? Just think, election is going on, but still no one came. It didn't start at all. What is the value of S? How many yes? How
Zero.
many no?
Zero.
Yeah. So yes is 0. Has 0 is an integer, no quotation. Then comma. Then what should we write again?
No.
Parenthesis.
Yeah, be clear, be specific. If you say no,
Parenthesis.
Double quotes.
double quotes.
No.
Yeah, Pragna, can you be fast? Yeah,
Yeah.
after
East of
no,
colon.
yeah, colon, then
Zero.
0. Yeah, fine. So now you have a function. Everything will be inside the function. Now you have the dictionary. So the dictionary has two keys, yes and no. So we are using this dictionary in our project because why? Why are we using the dictionary?
To store
To
words.
store. To
To
store the
store
word.
the words. Yeah. Yeah. Good. So next line. So again, next line. So now you have to use a loop. which loop will you use? You guys know what is loop, right?
While loop.
While
Oh, loop. Why will you not use for loop?
Like for loop, it's used for like giving range of values.
Hmm. So here,
While loop
yeah,
repeats.
yeah, continue.
While loop repeats the values until we stop it.
Yeah. So here, we don't know how many people are there. So until they say we want to stop voting, how can we stop the voting? In the video you saw.
Break
Break
statement.
Yeah.
statement.
Break
Using
statement.
the break statement.
Yeah. So now, until they themselves wanna stop voting, we can ask. So that's why we use while loop. Okay, so write while. But in for loop, we have like fixed number of iteration. We know how many times it's gonna repeat. But here we don't know. That's why. So while, so you can just give the condition has just true. TRUE. Because as long as there's nothing in the dictionary, like S is 0, no is 0, then it'll do the next process. So while true, capital T. Yeah, colon. Yeah, next line. So now I told you what to do. So next thing you will be knowing. Okay? You have an empty like box to collect the votes, and then you already have a function. So now what is the first thing that you need to ask when they want to vote?
Age.
How to ask in our project? How to do that?
Using if else.
Using if else, you can ask for input.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Or else we could also use the variables. Variables. Yeah, variables.
Oh, no. I mean, if you want to ask the user something, will you use if else statement to do that?
No.
we can use input and output function.
Yeah, you
We
can use
use
so you already wrote there. So, yeah, just copy paste or correct the indentation there. Yeah. So here age is equal to input. What is your age? So the user should know what they should type, right? Like, okay, forget. So age, what is age actually?
That like how
the
many
number of
years like how many years you born, or that how many years
No, no,
before
no.
you born, like that.
age
In
is a number.
yeah, age
Variable.
is a number. Age is a number. So if it's a number, how will you ask for the input?
Using int.
Yeah. So before input, you have to type int.
Int.
Yeah, then open bracket, then what is your age? Yeah, close. So now, okay. Yeah, everything should be inside the while loop now. So now you have to check if they can vote or not. So if age, okay. Do you guys know what to do next? Because
If else if else statement.
okay. If else statement for what? To do what?
If the person is more than 18, then he can vote, or else he cannot.
I
To
mean,
check if he is
in the code,
eligible.
you have to tell me how will you write it in the code?
Using if else statement.
Can you guide Pragna to do that? After
Yeah.
input, what to do?
And down, if age is greater than 18, then print you can vote. It is already written now.
So I'll tell you this one. So just think, Nehant is asking me, what is your age? I say, I am 20. Then what will Nehant say then next? Nehant, what will you say next?
Sorry,
You
may not.
asked me my age and then I told you it's 20. What will you say next?
You can vote.
Okay, I told okay. Then
Then you can proceed further. I mean, like voter ID, voter card.
I mean, in the project, you are asking me my age. I told it's 20. Then you say, okay. Then what next? I have to vote, right?
Yeah.
So if my age is 20, then you should not say okay. You should ask me the next question.
Yes or no, like to go to park
Yeah,
after vote.
yes, that's correct. But you ask my age. I'll tell you it's 15. Then what will you say?
You cannot go.
You cannot vote. Yeah.
Yeah.
So first, you can complete that part. If age is less than 18, then print. You cannot vote. Yeah, we can first do that. If age is less than 18, Pragna, that's not correct. The greater symbol. Yeah. If age is less than 18, print. You cannot vote. So is this code correct? Like whatever we have written so far, do you think it's correct? Or
Yes.
anything extra need to be written? Okay, I'll ask you a question. How many of you think we need to write break statement after this, like print you cannot vote? After that, how many of you think we need to write break statement?
I think we should.
Why?
Yeah, because after you ask certain question, there should be a break before you go to the next question. So I
You
think so
use
for that.
break to break the whole loop. Yeah. So now, you ask me, what is my age? I say it's 20. Then you say you cannot vote. And that's it. The next person, you can ask him or her the same question. What is your age? If I cannot vote, it doesn't mean the next person should also not vote. So you should not use break statement. Because if you use,
Okay.
the whole process will be completed if a person cannot vote, right? So if I cannot vote, you say you cannot vote. And that's it. Next question. Yeah, got it?
Yeah.
So
Okay.
now, if age is less than 18, you cannot vote.
Yeah,
Then what's the next thing that can happen?
Else you can vote.
Just think, instead of like, what if I type -2? What will happen? You can vote. It says you can vote.
It's still less than 18, right? So you can't vote.
So, so, so to avoid the confusion, instead of else, you use elif. Okay, so that you can write a condition there. Instead of else, you write elif. Elif age is like equal to or more than 18, then do what?
Vote.
Can vote.
Elif age print what? What should we print?
You can vote.
Okay. Then now, Pragna, you asked me my age, I told you 20. Then then what will you do next?
So we should
We
English
is stuck.
I
I
think
didn't
that
hear
you
anything.
can vote.
Yeah, others, did you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you repeat again?
Can you
What
repeat
should we
again?
do? So now if age is more than 18, then I can vote. I know that. Then what will you ask? What is your next question?
So say yes or no.
Yeah. So you ask for the input again. So after print, you create a variable to ask for the vote. Click on the line, like print, you can vote, click on the line and click enter. Pragna, your screen is stuck. Can you share this much code to Angelina? Can you do that?
Here.
Yeah, now. Or in the chat box. Or you can share it in WhatsApp. Just now.
What?
The code. Whatever we have written so far.
It.
Yeah. Angelina, are you there? There. Okay. Can you share your screen? Like, you can share the screen. I think Pragna has some internet issues.
She didn't share me the code.
Yeah, she will.
1 minute.
No. Just the code. Just that code. Text.
Shall I share it to you, sister?
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't get it.
I was sharing. There is a network issue.
No. Not the picture, but the text. Just copy the text and send it. Yeah, copy. Control C and Control V. Yeah. Yeah, Pragna, you can stop sharing your screen. Angelina, can you share the screen? Yeah, with the code. Okay, yeah. So now, if age is less than 18, you cannot vote. But if age is more than 18, you can vote. So what will be the next question?
If your age is more than 18, yes, you can vote like that.
Yeah, already we wrote that.
We have to ask them
To ask.
yes or no. Do you want a park or no?
Yes. Do you like to build?
Mm.
You have to take input.
Oh, okay, yeah. So now your age is more than 18, so you can vote. Then you have to ask for the input. Input of what?
Vote.
Yeah. So can you tell her what to write?
Vote is equals to double quotes. Yes.
Oh, okay. Ashish, vote is fine, but you are not allowed to give what
Oh yeah.
the
Okay
vote.
then.
You have to ask for the input from the user.
Input. Input. Parenthesis. Double quotes. Do you want a park? Yes or no?
Okay. So now here I told you about uh some I taught you some Python topic recently and I told you to use it here. Do you remember what it is? I mean, what if the user types yes or no in all caps? Or
Dot
some
lower.
they
You have
use
to do
Lower.
lower
Dot
okay
lower.
lower. Where to write and how to write.
at last.
After parenthesis. After
After
quote.
parenthesis, what to write?
Dot lower.
Dot lower.
Dot lower, then
Parenthesis.
parenthesis. Yeah, next line. So now, what do you wanna do? So you ask for the age, that process complete. Now, you are asking them, do you wanna vote? Yes or no? Do you wanna park or not? So what do you want to check?
Now I think we should call for the function.
Oh, there is no argument inside the function. You don't need to worry about that. So now you asked me yes or no. Okay, then what is the next process? What's the next process?
Do you have a ticket? I guess.
Oh, no. Just love it, just think.
We have to store the vote.
See, I am
Like,
asking you, do you want to park or not? Yes or no? What will you say?
yes.
I say yes.
Yes or no? Anything, right? So
Yeah.
now, what do you wanna do after? What should I do after you say yes or no?
You
Ask
should
for my age.
We should store that.
Yeah, I should store it. So to store it, how can I do that in our project?
using dictionary.
Yeah,
Dictionary.
in the dictionary. So now you asked the word and then the user will give some answer. So now, and I have to store that in the dictionary. But before storing it, there is something I need to do. You know what it is? Just think.
Call for the function.
I'll ask Ashish, do you want to vote? Yes or no? Then Ashish says yes. Okay, I
Yes.
store. Then I ask Angelina, do you want to vote yes or no? But she says maybe. Is there maybe key in the dictionary? Is there something like that?
No,
No.
no, no.
No.
No. Then that vote is invalid, right? That is not at all, collected. That's not at all counted. So you take the like vote, you store. But before that, you check if this can be considered or not. Okay? So now I told you, you have to check if this can be considered or not considered. So there is, you know, um, many things that can happen. Either this can happen or that. So in this situation, what will you use? which Python topic will you use when you have many things that can happen?
Nested if else.
Yeah, if else. So now you have to use that. Yeah, you guys can write if. Yeah. If what? What should I check now?
Vote.
That you are ready to vote.
If what?
I think that you are ready to vote or
Equals.
not.
Yeah, Lakshmi, did you say something?
No.
Mm. Okay. So now you have to check if the vote which the user have given is in where? Where
Dictionary.
you should check in the dictionary. So if vote in
Is equals to
in
in
where?
election.
Yeah. Colon. Next line. Just think now it's there. So now I asked Ashish, do you want a park? Yes or no? Then Ashish says maybe. Then it's not considered. Invalid vote. So we'll write that later on. Okay? Or if we don't write it, also no problem. If it's not like in the dictionary, we don't collect, we don't consider, no problem, no need to mention that. But then I ask Lavit, do you want a park? Do you want a park to be built in your town? Yes or no? Then Lavit says yes. So now, vote in election. Yeah, the vote is in the election dictionary. It is there. So what will you do?
Add one.
You will add. How will you add?
Using operations.
Can you write a sentence how to add this vote into that dictionary? If the vote is in the election, then what should we do? We should add something to the dictionary. Can you write a code for that?
Can you give us a hint?
I gave you a lot of hints. If votes are in election, then what will you do?
Plus one.
Plus one to what? What will you add?
To yes or no.
See, you have a box. You have yes or no. You check if this yes or no is in the box. So now in Lavit's case, is it there or not there?
It's there.
It's there. Then I have to store this yes or no into the box. Means I have to add it. So what should I add and where should I add?
Yes plus one.
Yeah, I should add this yes means the word to the dictionary. Can you write the code for that? Others, are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I thought you were sleeping. Okay. So, if vote in election, you guys are thinking too much. It's very simple. Very, very simple. Don't make it complex. If the votes are in the dictionary, you're checking now. It's
Okay.
checking.
Election.
Okay, finally we got someone. Okay, election.
The square bracket. Single quotes. Yes. And outside a single box plus one. Single quotes S1. Not there. Outside the single quotes, S1. Yeah, there. S not +1, +1. Is it right?
Okay. I'm happy that you guys at least tried. But we'll make some modification now. So just think. Now we have to check if this vote is in the election. So now this vote can be anything, right? It can be either yes or no. So instead of telling, like we don't know whether if it's yes or no. So we cannot tell you add it to yes or you add it to no. Can you understand?
Yes.
Yeah. Others, can you understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
Only Varsha, Pragna, Ashish can understand. What about others? Can you guys
Yes.
understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So here you have the dictionary and you have the word. You don't know where to add this word particularly. Means the word can be yes, the word can be no. You don't know that, right? So you will add it to the dictionary, but to which like key? This is the value. To which key will you add? You don't know that. So that is why what you can just do is election inside the square brackets you write votes itself. Because in the election dictionary, you have yes or no. So you don't know whether if it's yes or no. But you know what is votes, right? You know what is votes. You know what can be yes. So if this is yes, the in the dictionary also, there is something called yes. Then this value will go to that key. Okay? It will be that value. You understood? Not understood?
Can you explain again?
Yeah, I will explain again. So what I meant was you have the vote or else we can do a conversation. So just think there's a box. Okay, this box is empty now. S is 0, no is 0. Now, Angelina, do you want a park?
Yes.
Yes. So now this yes will be inside the dictionary. But this dictionary itself has two separate boxes. What are those two separate boxes? Yes
Yes and
box,
no. And no
no
box.
box. So now her vote is yes. Okay. But now I'm asking her, so I know. But while you write the code, you don't know whether will say yes or no. So now she told me yes. So in this dictionary, there are two boxes. So this will go into the yes box. But when you don't know where to put it, you cannot tell computer where to put. You cannot simply say you just put it in the dictionary because there are another two more boxes in the dictionary, right? Till here understood?
Yeah.
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 Now,
Yeah.
now I'm writing the code. I'm writing this code for Angelina, but I don't know what she will choose. So how can I write the code for her? So what I do is, instead of writing which box, I will just write her code itself. Means election is the dictionary, right? Election is the dictionary, but inside the dictionary, I don't know which box, but I know which box, like what kind of vote, okay, whether if she's voting for yes or no, I know that. When she gives me the input, she'll say yes or no, right? So that time I compare it with the boxes inside the dictionary. So Angelina told yes. I didn't know what she may say when I was writing the code. So instead of using the key in the dictionary, I used the input that she gave. So instead of writing election square brackets, yes or no. Instead of that, I will write votes. So election is the dictionary, but votes is the value that she gave me. I am writing the votes because there is something related to this words in the dictionary, right? I don't know the yes in the dictionary, but I don't know, but I know what Angelina wrote. She wrote yes. So there's something yes, something called S in the dictionary also. You understood?
Yes.
Understood? Yeah. So this will
Yeah.
go and it will be the value of that box. So we don't know, we didn't know where to add, but we knew there is something similar to what Angelina gave in the dictionary also. So if our input is yes, then I know what she gave. If it's valid, like it's not invalid now, if it's valid, then either it will be yes or no. So I'll just compare this with yes or no. If it's similar to yes, it'll go and be the value of yes. If it's similar to no, it'll be the value of no. Did you understand? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Only
Yeah.
2 people understood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you have any
Yeah.
doubts, you have to ask me now itself.
No.
Did not understand?
Understood, sister.
Yeah. Okay. Others? Oh, you literally turned off your videos and I don't know what is happening. Others, did you understand? Nehan, did you understand?
Yes.
Sister.
Okay. Yeah. So now you add the value. If election dictionary is equal to what the input they have given, what to do? You have to add something. Is equal to,
Sister,
oh yeah.
there is votes instead of vote.
Oh, okay, you can correct that. Ashish, are you there? Are you there?
Yes.
Yeah. Then can you continue with what you were saying before? Now you understood. Election vote is like yes or no. Oh, just a second. Oh, okay. So now you know election and then the vote. So you are checking whether this is there or not. So now it's confirmed. If it's there, it's not an invalid vote, it's a valid vote. If this vote is in the election dictionary, then you told you have to add this. So to add, what will you type next? Election
Mhm.
vote is equal to, you have to add one value, right? Like +1.
Plus
To
one.
which will you add that +1?
To the vote, whatever is inside the election.
Yeah,
Yes or no.
yeah. So you don't know the S, no? That's why we are using election vote, right? So election vote is equal to
Plus one.
is equal to
Plus
election
one.
vote +1.
Uh,
Yeah. So it's just election vote is there. So now that will be changed into the normal
election
value
vote
+1.
plus one.
So what's the normal, like default value? There's nothing, 0. So 0 + 1 is just 1.
Yeah.
Yeah. So every time they say yes or any values related to the like dictionary value keys, then it will go and add. Only once it adds. So if there are 2 for S, then when someone types S, 1 will be added. So 2 + 1 is 3. So yes is 3 now. So this is how it works. Yeah. So now if vote in elections, election vote is equal to, oh, why?
Election vote plus one.
Election vote +1. Cancelled again. Yeah, please write.
Repeat it again. I'll write it.
Is
Okay.
equal
Yeah, Ashish is telling. Can you hear him?
is equals to
Is equals to.
election square brackets double quotes vote plus one.
Ashish, is
Not
this
there.
correct?
I think so.
Then where? You have to tell
One
her
is not there.
properly.
Yeah,
Outside
you're
the.
right. Outside the box.
Oh, okay. Let me tell you. You have to use that square bracket to like particularly refer to something inside the dictionary. So don't write anything inside the square bracket. So plus one. Yeah. Now next line. So now, if the word which Angelina gave is in the dictionary, then add it. Then what will you tell Angelina?
Your voting has completed.
Your oath is completed, or you can say your oath has been recorded, right? So you print that thing. Can you tell her what to print?
Print parenthesis. Your vote has been
Recorded.
recorded.
Yeah. Now, this is the if case. Means if the word is in the dictionary, this will happen. It will add and then it will tell Angelina that your vote has been recorded. But I asked Lovit, do you want to build a park? Yes or no? But he says maybe. But then the Python will check. Is this maybe in the dictionary? Is it there, Ashish?
No.
Hmm. Is it there, Pragna?
No,
Why?
because we didn't print it.
Didn't print what?
May-
Maybe. Yeah. Because in the dictionary only
Because
yes, no are there. Maybe is not at all there. So when Lovit says, he didn't say either yes, he didn't say either no. So these both are in dictionary, but what he said is not in the dictionary. So his vote will not be recorded. So this is else case. So if vote is in the dictionary, this will happen. But else, indentation. Yeah. Else, Varsha, what will happen? If it's yes, you say your vote has been recorded. If it's something else, what will you print? Varsha, are you there?
yes, sister. Just now my mother took mobile, sister, so that I'm confusing.
What about others?
Can I?
Oh yeah, please.
Your vote is not being recorded.
Yeah, your oath has not been recorded.
I didn't get. Uh, can you explain the last one?
You tell me what you didn't get.
Like, why did we use print your vote as been recorded?
Why did you use print after the like election word, that line?
Yeah. No,
Uh,
no.
uh,
After else, print one.
okay. So do you know why we are using if here at least? Can you zoom, Angelina? Pragna, do you know that?
Yeah,
Why?
because we want to add vote
Yeah,
in
because
the
you're
dictionary.
checking if this input is in the like dictionary, any key like that, you're checking. If it's there, you will add. That's why you are using
Yeah.
if. Means if vote is equal, if vote in election. Okay. Now, that is if. Just think, you're giving something. The first case is not happening. The first case is, it is there in the dictionary. Now, if it is not there, what will you say? Your vote has not been
Can you repeat?
recorded.
Means if they say
I can't hear you. Can you repeat?
means if they say maybe you want yes or no, it prints your vote has not been recorded.
Again, I didn't hear what you said.
If they say maybe we should print your vote has not been recorded.
Yes, you should print that. Do you know why we should do that? Can you?
Because saying maybe.
Hmm. Because you see, in the dictionary, there is nothing called maybe. There's only yes or no. If the user says maybe, then that vote is not considered. That is why you say your vote has not been recorded, so that the voter will know that his or her vote is not recorded, not considered. You understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyone have doubt in this part?
No.
Others, are you sleeping again? Oh, I think you're sleeping because you're not even responding. Oh,
Understood.
I cannot. Oh, except me, Angelina, Dhanalakshmi, others didn't turn on your video. Yeah. Okay, now we'll continue. Now, just think, most of the part is done actually. You see, first you have the function, then you have empty box. Now you're asking for age. Then after age, oh, can you still hear my voice?
Yeah.
Still, can you hear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if age, now you ask for age also, then you're checking if they can vote or not vote. And if they can vote, then you're asking for the vote. So now you have to tell the results. How will you do that? Okay, we'll do that now. For example, now I'm asking for votes. Okay, there is S is 0, no is also 0. So first person, who will be the first voter? Okay, Angelina. So Angelina, how old are you?
I'm 12.
Okay, you cannot vote actually. Yeah,
Okay.
but still, I'll not stop asking. I'll ask others. Okay, now who will be the second voter? So yes is 0 again, no is also 0 again because she didn't vote. Now second voter is Ashish. Yeah, Ashish, how old are you?
13.
No, you're not 13, you're elder. You have to give me different answers. Yeah, Ashish, how old are you?
32.
32, okay. So, okay, 32, you can vote. So, do you want a park in your town? Yes or no? K- Did you hear me? Should I repeat again?
Yes.
Okay, yes. So now S was 0 before, no was 0. Now Ashish told yes. So I'm checking if yes is there in the dictionary. Actually, yes is there in my dictionary. So I added 1 to yes. Now, yes is 1, no is 0. Okay? Okay, who will be the third voter? Dhanalakshmi. Okay, Dhanalakshmi, how old are you?
I'm 25.
25. Okay. Do you want to park in the town? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. So now I'm checking this yes is there in my dictionary or not. Actually, Dhanalakshmi, yes is there in the dictionary. So I'm adding another value.
No.
Before, when Ashish voted, yes was 1, no was 0. Now, yes will be added again. So yes 2, no 0. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Then who will be the which voter? Fourth voter?
Yeah.
Oh, fourth voter. Who will be the fourth voter? You guys don't want to vote? Yeah. Who will be the fourth voter?
Can I vote again?
Ah, no. That's not allowed.
Can I?
Oh, okay, Varsha. How old are you, Varsha?
25.
Okay, 25 again. So, do you want to park in your town? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, even she wants. Someone should say no. Okay, next. Okay, now I'll check if Varsha's yes is there in my dictionary or not. So actually, Varsha, yes is there in the dictionary. So I'm adding your votes. It is considered, okay? So now before yes was 2, no was 0. And then now yes is 3 and no is 0 again. Now, thank you, Varsha. Then any fifth voter? Okay, Pragna. Pragna, how old are you?
19.
Oh, 19. So, do you want to park in your town? Yes or no?
Maybe.
Maybe. Oh, wait, let me check if I have that in my dictionary. So, actually, there's no maybe in my dictionary. So, sorry, Pragna, your vote is not considered. Yeah, thank you. Then, now also, yes is 3, no is 0. There was no maybe, that's why, okay? Next, any sixth voter. Someone who will say no. Others. Okay. Any sixth voter? Who is that? Okay, Bharat. Okay, Bharat. How old are you, Bharat?
I'm 25.
Oh, many teens. Okay, 25. So, do you want a park in your town? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, yes. So, let me check if yes is there in the dictionary or not. So now, yeah, yes is there in my dictionary. So, before it was yes 3 and no 0. So, Ashish vote is considered. So, no. So, again, S will be 4 and no is 0. Yeah. So, now, just think. All of you answered. But it will be asking, and people are like done voting. What to do? How can you stop? Where will you use the break statement then? Don't you think so? Just think. Bharat is done. Everyone, Nehant, Yuga, Varsha, Angelina, me, everyone voted already. There are no people to vote. But still it's asking, what is your age again? Nobody to answer. So, what to do then? How to stop? Where
Breaks.
can I stop? Dhanalakshmi, did you say break statement?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's correct. But where can I add the break statement?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure. Just think. Again, and again, the question is asking. All of you answered. So just think, Dhanalakshmi was the last person to answer. She told no. Okay, it's added now. Now, again it will ask, do you want to vote or not? Then you have to stop that thing. How will you stop? You will use the break statement. So you have to ask the user for the input. So just scroll up. You see there you're asking for an input. What is your age? you're typing your age. But when nobody is there to type, you have to somehow stop it. Then you have to
Yeah.
type something to stop it. So now, inside the string you write, what is your age? After that, inside the quotation itself, you write, inside the quotation itself, yeah, type 0 after the question mark. What is your age? Question mark. Then type 0. Oh, no. After age, you put a question mark. Yeah. So then type 0 to stop voting. Okay. So now nobody will type 0 because they want to vote. But when everyone completed voting, then nobody is there to vote. So what Angelina will do then? She'll just come and type 0. Now it's completed. Then you can see the result. Okay. So now you added this. You're telling the user that if you have to type 0 to stop. But where are you stopping it? You're not stopping anywhere. So you have to add the break statement. So now, again, next line. Next line. Yeah. So can anybody tell me the statement for this one? You have to use if-else statement. Yeah. It's very, very simple.
If
Dhanalakshmi, can you tell me?
if
Okay, anyone.
mm, one second.
The password is గోడ గిర బండి కూడా నేర్పుతా
Election,
మీద
If
election,
okay, if
square
election,
bracket, square bracket, not is equals to. Yeah. Double quotes,
yeah, what next?
vote,
Okay. We'll not waste time. Ashish, I'll tell you. So you're writing something to stop the voting. So everyone voted. Again, it is asking age. So we told them if you want to stop voting, just type 0. Okay. Now I will type 0. But in the code, you have to write something to stop. Like you have to use a break statement. If dash dash dash, then break. What is the dash dash dash? Tell me that much.
age is equals to 0.
If
Age is equals to 0. 2 is equals to.
is equal to 0, colon, then do what?
Break.
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 Yeah, very good. Come down now. Now you have to check zoom still. Next line. Yeah, downside. Yeah. So now you have to check. So before our voting process, do you guys remember that? Like there were 4 yes, but 0 no. Now now Angelina came again and she typed 0. Now the voting is stopped. I will show you the result. So to show you the result, I have to check it. How will I check actually? I will just compare both. If yes is more than no, you can build a park. If no is more than yes, you cannot
You
build a
cannot.
park. If both are equal, let the mayor decide. So now also you have to use if else statement. But this is a bit tricky to use because you have to check both also. When you check if yes is more than like no, or if no is more than yes, you have to check no and yes at the same time. Means if you're checking if yes is more than no, then next you have to check if no is more than yes. Both the things. So it can be a bit confusing, but still we can try. Okay? Again, if, oh no, this if is inside the else. Okay. If, oh, just a second. And another one thing I forgot to tell you. So, if yes is more than no, and then if no is more than yes, just think nobody voted. Like, literally no one voted. When they asked what is your age, someone typed 0. Then totally stopped. Then yes is also 0. No is also 0. Then nothing is there to say. So first you have to check that. Okay? So first check if yes is 0 or not. How will you check that? You have to use the dictionary and then the key name. Yeah. Can you guys please speak?
Can you repeat?
Yeah. How will you check if yes is 0 or not?
By the oats.
Tell me the
If
code.
So can you write like this? If yes equals 0.
But yes is not just a string. It's a key in the dictionary. So you have to write if. What is the dictionary name actually? Can you scroll and show them the dictionary name? Yeah, election. Yeah. If election
Is
and
equal.
no. If election square bracket, then inside the quotation you write yes. Because in the dictionary, in yes. Okay, that's right. If election yes equal to 0, then no colon is missing.
After 0.
Yeah, if that is missing, then you have to check. Like if election yes is 0, then you check if no is also 0. So if election yes is 0, then check election no is equal to 0. Check that. Can you tell Angelina what to write now?
If
Yeah.
election
Square bracket.
uh,
Parenthesis no. Is equals to 0 colon.
Yeah. So now, if yes is 0, then you check no. If no is 0. So if yes is 0, then if election no, that is also is equal to 0, then you can
It get
print.
Tyson system. If S is 0, if no is 0, then it will be tie no.
How will it be tie? There is not any number. 0,
Okay,
0,
okay.
both are 0. Yeah.
we have to
So
start
if
from again.
yes is, sorry. Yeah, if you want to say something, you have to speak. Yeah, if election yes is 0, then election no is 0, both are 0. Then print, what will you say? No votes were cast. Yeah. Now, just think. First one is true, but second one is not true. Means election yes is 0, but election no is not 0, which means there is nothing in yes, but there is something in no. Then you show them the result. You write else Indentation. No, not that one. The second if. It should be equal to the second if. Yeah. Else,
colon,
you come down, print. You have to show them the result. Parenthesis. Yeah. Yes, colon. Yeah. Colon.
colon,
Yeah. Outside the quotation, you write a comma, space. Then, oh my gosh, sorry. Yeah. Election, then yes. The value of the dictionary election and then yes. Like inside the square bracket. Quotation. Yeah. Then do the same thing for no as well. Yeah. So now next line. Again, next line. So just think this will happen when both are no or one is like yes is 0 and no is something. But just think yes is some number. No is also some number. What to do then? So just we'll write another elif. So this elif will be equal to the first if. If election yes is equal to 0. So it will be equal to that one. Elif. This elif will be equal to the first if. Yeah. Elif.
colon,
Election no. Election no will be equal to 0. Print. You can show them the result. No, I mean, you can show them the result. You can show them the result means the print, what you have used for else before, you copy paste the same thing. Yeah. How many yes and how many no, you have to show them. Yeah. Now come down. Next line. Next line. Again, else. This else will be equal to the main if, elif, else. Else. Then, see, now it's like whatever we have done so far, it's for like 0. If yes is 0 and no is not, if no is 0 and yes is not, or both are 0. Now, just think both have some value. Okay? Both also have some value. Then you have to check which one is more. I told you, if yes is more than no or no is more than yes. So you can type, like you can show them the results. Like print, like the same thing, whatever you have written, copy paste the same thing. Yeah. Then next line, you will show them the result. Okay. So you are like showing them the result now. You have to like decide whether to build it or not. If this should not be okay, can you like copy just one part of the election yes, like if election yes. Yeah. No. Just election yes. After if. If election yes is more than more than what?
election no,
Yeah. If election yes is more than election no, copy paste that same thing. Election no, colon, print. Yeah. What should I print? If yes is more than no, what should I print?
We can build the
You
park.
can build
Yeah,
the
we can
park.
build a park. We can build a park. Now, Elif or yeah, Elif, yeah. Elif. What will be the statement condition?
If S is less than no, so you cannot build the park.
You have to be specific when you say these quotes because I cannot understand if you say like this. If yes is no more than no or no is more than yes, what is yes and what is no?
Election, no election, yes.
Yeah. If Elif, okay, Elif, election no, or you can just copy and paste the same thing. Like, yeah. You just say change the symbol. If election yes is less than election no, what will you print?
We cannot build a park.
You
We
cannot
cannot
build a
build a
park.
park.
Yeah. Then else. Else. So just think S is also not 0. No is also not 0. Both have some value. But S is
Equal.
also not more than 4, more than no. No is also not more than S. What will be the answer then?
Let the mayor decide.
Yeah, because both are equal. It means both are equal. Let the mayor decide.
Yeah, yeah.
Finally done. But something is missing. Can anybody tell me that? If you tell me that, um, okay, tell me that. What is missing? Check
See,
from the
here in
beginning.
the last, we can again one tie also will be in the ending.
I cannot understand what you said.
In the last, you just we have take if S is greater than no, that we can build a park. If S is less than no, we cannot build a park. No, if S and no are equal, so like that.
Yeah, that is only we have written already. Yeah,
The
in the
Yeah.
last
definition,
line.
yeah, the function.
Oh, you're already showing. Okay. So, Varsha, what you told, actually, we already did that. You see, else, print, let the mayor decide. Else is, we didn't give any condition there. Else means both are equal. Okay?
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So, call the function last.
That angel has showed us.
Yeah. Voting, then parenthesis. Can you try to run the code? Oh, any indentation problem? If this one, you have this if that should be equal to if age is equal to 0. Yeah, that if should be is equal to age is equal to 0. I mean, you have this if age is less than 18, that line that should be like exactly equal to if age is equal to 0. Indentation problem. No, 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 no. It's correct. It was correct. Control Z. Okay. The problem was like the indentation of the if age is less than 18 is wrong because it should be equal to age is equal to 0. Yeah. Soon after Angelina, you getting me? Getting me? You
Yes,
have
yes.
this line. If age is less than 18.
Yeah.
Yeah, that line, that indentation should be equal to if age is equal to 0. Yeah. So you see the indentation of that line and this line? Yeah. So if you correct that, it may work. Still not correct. Okay. Okay, so only the indentation is a problem now. But if you correct that, everything will work properly because it's time now. When after you correct it, we can show the output. So yeah, can you stop sharing your screen? Okay. Okay, finally from 13 people to 6 people. Okay. So we completed our project today because this we were supposed to do it from 3 weeks. We didn't do it. Yeah. So we
Yeah.
should not repeat this again.
Yeah.
And I request for your coordination too, because I alone cannot do everything. Means I can teach you. I can try my level best to teach you, but I cannot, you know, practice instead of you. I cannot do that. You have to do it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you don't do it, then we cannot continue. No matter if we do 100 projects again and again, I will guide you, but you will not practice and you don't cooperate. Then if we do 100 project also, no impact. Okay. So I thought this class we could have completed it early, but it took a lot of time because you didn't prepare. I prepared
Yeah.
very much to teach you, but you guys didn't prepare. So I hope this won't happen in the next class because
Yeah.
I'm trying so hard to help you. So you should also try to learn. Okay?
Okay, sis.
Yeah. Can you turn on your videos? Okay, finally at last once. Yeah. To make the video and to make the flip book, Angelina, she worked really hard. Can you tell? Can you thank her once? Can you thank her in 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 Japanese? Can you teach them how to thank in Japanese?
I'm not sure how to pronounce it correctly. Can say arigato.
Arigato. Okay.
Arigato.
Arigato, Angelina. Can you guys thank
Arigato.
her?
Arigato, Angelina sister.
Thank you, thank you.
Arigato,
Not only
Angelina.
me, Thanishka,
Yeah.
she also worked so hard. She didn't slept yesterday. So I can thank
Yeah.
her.
Yeah.
Arigato, Thanishka sister.
Arigato, Thanishka sister.
You guys are
Okay.
learning Korean? Anybody?
No.
Yeah.
Then you can say it in Korean.
Gamsamida sisters.
감사합니다.
Samida sisters.
네.
Mida.
네. Thank you so much for staying till the end. I'm very happy. So next class onwards, I hope this won't happen. I believe you guys so much. So prepare. Okay? It's not so difficult. I'm making it very, very easy for you. So please cooperate with me. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, sister.
Yeah.